You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
So right from the start, I think a remanufacturing company will get in thousands, truckloads of parts, for instance, all sorts of levels of breaking down or contaminated, or they look nothing like they did when they were new. The manufacturer has to determine what's the value of those parts. Is it worth remanufacturing? So it starts right out where they're trying to, like you said, strip all of the contaminants, whether it's paint stripping, coatings removal, powder coating removal, get it all the way down to the base metal, if you will. And once they go through and remanufacture everything, they then need to, like I said, preserve those parts for shelf life to be traveling all over the world. In the remanufacturer's eyes, they're just trying what they call core restoration. So if we call it cleaning and trying to, remove the oxides and contaminants, to them it's just get me the base metal, get me the raw part, and then I have something to start with. So it's a significant value for them to minimize the amount of work they have to do on the core.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.